Hello, my name is Sven Schneider, and I am a professor of Management Information Systems.
And my name is Lutz Anderie. I am also a professor of business and computer science. Together with Sven, I have written the book Digital Business Management.
The book outlines hands-on how to transform into a data-driven organization using AI.
In this video, we explain some of the essentials you need to know about digital business management.
You can watch this video and quickly grasp the essentials you need to know regarding digital business management.
If you are interested in the topic in depth or would like to prepare for an exam, make sure you get a copy of our book, which is available on Amazon, in good bookstores, libraries, and through Springer. Let's start. A digital business strategy integrates digital technologies and data to achieve business goals, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. It focuses on using tools like AI, analytics, and digital platforms to optimize operations and create new business models. This approach aligns technology with business objectives to ensure competitiveness in a digital-first world.
A business plan, incorporating a business model, outlines a firm's strategy to generate profits in the marketplace using digital tools across all organizational aspects. The business model, central to the plan, details planned activities to achieve profit, driven by a value proposition that meets customer needs, and may overlap with business strategy when considering the competitive landscape. The business model canvas is a strategic tool that helps businesses analyze, design, and implement new models by defining key elements like customer segments, key partnerships, key activities, and key resources. It also includes value propositions, customer relationships, sales channels, cost structure, and revenue streams to ensure a comprehensive approach to creating value and generating income.
An eStrategy, or electronic strategy, as a part of the corporate strategy, outlines a plan for leveraging digital technologies to achieve business goals. It encompasses aspects like online presence, digital marketing, e-commerce, and data analytics. It aligns technological capabilities with organizational objectives, ensuring efficient use of digital resources to drive growth and competitiveness in the digital landscape.
A company's revenue model outlines its strategy for generating income, achieving profitability, and delivering competitive returns on invested capital, which must surpass alternative investment opportunities to ensure success, as emphasized by Porter. Failure to meet this standard risks business closure, making the model critical for leveraging assets and market position. In digital business, 5 primary revenue models exist. The subscription model, for example, Netflix charges fees for access to content or services, often as SaaS and B2B. The advertising model used by Google, for example, earns income by charging advertisers for platform placements. The affiliate model, for example, applied by Shopify, generates commissions through referrals. The transaction fee model applied by Uber, for instance, collects fees for facilitating transactions, and the sales model derives revenue from direct sales of goods or services.
A firm's value chain outlines all activities in creating a product or service, from conception to delivery, divided into primary activities: inbound logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and service. And support activities like infrastructure, human resource management, technology development, and procurement.
Analyzing industry value chains reveals how e-commerce reduces information costs, allowing participants to optimize their positions by cutting expenses, such as through automated B2B exchanges, or by building direct customer relationships to bypass distributors. Building on the concept of the value chain, the industry-wide value chain is depicted. Especially through the internet, a distinction can be made between disintermediation, which involves the elimination of value-added stages or intermediaries between sellers and buyers, and intermediation, which involves the creation of new intermediary roles, new value-adding stages in the value chain.
Michael Porter's 5 Forces model is a widely used tool. It evaluates the bargaining power of buyers and suppliers, threat of new entrants, threat of substitutes, and competitive rivalry. This helps assess industry attractiveness and formulate strategies to mitigate threats, capitalize on opportunities, and maintain a competitive advantage.
Thanks for watching the video.
Since the video format offers only a limited time frame to cover the fascinating world of digital business management,
Our book provides hands-on guidance on how to transform into a data-driven organization using AI.
if you're interested in exploring the topic in depth or preparing for an exam, make sure to get a copy of our book, available on Amazon, in reputable bookstores, libraries, and through Springer.
Stay tuned for more digital content.